Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling quality data and the right tools. First, gather diverse labeled images so the model learns variance in pose and lighting. This prevents brittle recognition. Once done, select a framework, TensorFlow or PyTorch, or pick a lightweight backbone like MobileNet if you target edge devices. Make sure your environment has GPU support or a cloud TPU and install dependencies such as CUDA, cuDNN, and the Python libraries. This pace gets you from zero to training ready quickly and reliably. You now move into the core training loop where alignment and augmentation matter. Align faces to eyes, crop consistently, and apply flips, color jitter, and noise to generalize. Then train with a discriminative loss like triplet or arc face so embeddings separate identities. Monitor validation accuracy and ROC AUC as checkpoints. Make sure to tune hyperparameters, learning rate schedules, batch size, weight decay, and employ early stopping to avoid overfitting. Once validation stabilizes, you finish by deploying the model and building a reliable matching pipeline. Export embeddings and serve them with a fast nearest neighbor index like FAIS or ANOI. Use cosine thresholds for acceptance and batch requests to cut latency. Optimize by quantizing the model, caching embeddings, and limiting camera FPS to reduce load. If results are poor, inspect alignment first. Misaligned crops break recognition. Then check dataset bias and recalibrate thresholds on representative validation data. Make incremental fixes and reevaluate immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.